Hello people, and for this round we're going to show you how to fix when the Instagram archive stories are missing or not working. So first off, when you get to the app, just press on the bottom right to go to your profile, and then once here we go to the three bars on the top right, and as you can see we have archive here just below your activity. And now of course this is a sample account. I do not have stories on this account. But if you press on the top drop down arrow just right beside the stories archive, it should show you these options. But if it doesn't work, what we have to do is to tap on the three dots on the top right once again and go to settings. Now, once here, we just have to refresh the save to story archive. Just switch that off and then just switch it back on. Give it maybe 5-10 seconds and your stories should appear in the archive. Now, if it still doesn't work, the last solution, we can go over and hold the Instagram icon, go over to app info, uninstall Instagram. Now go back to the Play Store, just search Instagram and then reinstall the app. Once that reinstalls, the archive should be working. Now, if you have any questions, just leave them on a comment down below. Again, thank you for watching and see you again.